What's up everyone, it's Big B TV coming at you with another video. So in today's video, we're on our way to another car meet. I know y'all like these car meet videos for real, and I appreciate the love, I appreciate the likes, I appreciate the comments, I appreciate the shares, and most important, I appreciate all the subscriptions, man, for real, it's highly appreciated. In today's video, we're going to a car meet, but I'm at the gas station. My girl hit me up, she was like, babe, can you bring me a bag of chips? So I'm gonna go ahead and give her a bag of chips, and then after that, we're gonna go to the car meet. So without further ado, everybody, let's get straight to the video, and hope you guys enjoy. What's up, man?
What's up, man? How's it going?
Pretty good. Sounds good. I heard you pull up.
Yeah, appreciate it.
How you doing, man?
I'm doing alright.
You going to that Northside Movement car meet?
Man, I'm not. I was, but I just hit something in the front, my bumper a little.
Just hit it right now?
I hit a hitch on the back of a Jeep when I went to the beach.
Oh, yeah. Man.
So my bumper getting painted right now, so I'm kind of staying on it a little.
These are the ones she likes with their crazy ass. There she goes. What's up, baby?
Hi.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. How's work?
Work is great. You know, it's a little slow right now, but I'm not mad at it. I'm just chilling. What up, Big B TV?
What's up? You look cute.
Really? Thanks.
Yeah. Here goes your bag of chips.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Y'all never tried these before? You gotta go to the store and try these. They're kind of like Takis, but different, because I don't prefer Takis, I prefer these. They're a little bit better. Yeah, those are a little spicy. All right, so now that we got the queen bee satisfied, let's go ahead and hit up this car meet.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
God damn. Man, we got the cops pulling up already. So the car meet just started. Look at this Mustang. It's a GT, but it does have the GT 350 bumper, which looks really nice on these cars. We got the same thing too. We got a 5.0 with the GT 350 bumper. Looks really nice. This car is super clean, and I like it. I even like the aftermarket wheels. Those are the type of wheels that this car should have came with. That red on black is fire. And he has lights in the vents. That's dope. Playboy.
Big bunny shit, man. Big hog shit. Big TV shit, man. What the fuck going on, man? Big H-Town, big Houston car meet shit. Big Northside movement shit. You know what the fuck going down. Make sure y'all tap, like, and subscribe to my boy every fucking time. You know.
Hell yeah, man. My boy Playboy. What's up, man? How you doing? How you feeling?
Man, out here, you know, chilling. Laws took me to jail the other day, but it's cool.
Damn,
Yeah,
for real?
Man, I'm back on the streets.
Damn. Hey, he back with the Playboy action. Look at that. Yes, all the women on there. Everything, man. Hell yeah. Hit up my guy Playboy. I'm gonna put his Instagram name on the screen for y'all. Make sure you go tap in with him, show him some love. He got a crazy, like, just look at the wheels. He got the Playboy bunny in the wheels, Playboy action all over, clothes. Look at that, the clothes. My boy fresh, man. Hell yeah. Ooh, damn. He got the Roush supercharger. He has everything Roush up in here, man. Good thing about Roush is that it comes with factory warranty. So if he ever decides to go crazy and blow things up, man, my boy's covered. Look at my guy rocking the Big B TV merch, man.
Y'all already know what's
Hey, that thing looks clean.
Yes, sir.
My boy got the mint color. I have the red color. That thing looks dope, man. And he got the Yeezys on. My boy looking fresh.
Y'all already know what's up, boy.
Hey, man, we got my guy straight out of content.
What's up, bro?
What's up, man? How you doing? I see y'all rocking the merch. Okay.
So we got both.
Hell yeah.
Content, FCD Vinyl Apparel. Make sure you guys come, get your merch. You can make anything you want. Or you come cop, you know you can get the Big B TV merch there too.
Hell yeah, and I don't think I've ever introduced her to the channel, but this is Carl's woman. As you can see, they're both matching cute couple goals, you know what I'm saying? Over at the car meet.
FCD Vinyl and Apparel, come see us, and my YouTube is Flash Custom Designs.
Hell yeah, give me some of that. Hey, what's cool is that logo right there matches the car behind you.
That's funny. Perfect too.
We got the twins out here. Look at that. That's a dope rap. I like that.
Oh, I gotta get
support.
Hell yeah, man. I appreciate that, bro. Thank you, man. I hope you like it.
Huh?
I hope you like it.
Yeah, I like it. We're gonna do an experiment to see how many kids in his school recognize it, so we'll have to let you know that, oh, you know Big B.
Hell yeah, dude.
These are some nice looking Corvettes. I love the color on that C7. I don't know, but the C6, that purple looks kind of good too.
Hey, man. Forget the drive-through. My people did the walk-through.
What are y'all guys doing?
Getting a water.
The waters?
Yeah.
Hey, that's what's up, man.
Hey, man. Big shout out to Burger King.
Check out this matte wrap from Arrow.
Okay, so I didn't play says run me. That's dope. Then we got my guy Playboy. Leaving the scene looking clean.
No way, bro. What's good, bro? What's good, G?
What's good, dude? Hell yeah.
Bro, the 3-valve parked over there, bro. Cam coming in soon, bro. X pipe, straight pipe, whatever. It's gonna sound loud. It's gonna be fast too.
Alright everybody, so that's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, do what you want to do. And if you did enjoy the video, man, please give it a fat thumbs up. It's highly appreciated. But yeah guys, as always, I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.